Hi, I am Dr. R.K. Mehta. I am living in Ajmer and owner of Getwell Hospital, and I am a surgeon. My wife is gynecologist. This is my personal home, and we have installed a Nibav Lift. I found it very safe as far as Nibav Lift is concerned. The daughter and son of my brothers, which are around 9 years and 11 years, they are using very frequently and very safely. As far as the routine work is concerned, actually, as far as age is going up, pain knee or swelling knee, or this will happen to all. So this is very useful for me and my wife because we regularly go upstairs and climbing stairs for 20 30 times in a day. It makes difficult for the knee. Basically for us only, not for the children or the grandfather or mother father. Taking the future, now we have ample of say facilities, we can make it properly. So for us only and for the future we have made it. As far as safety is concerned, I think this is very safe. I don't see any problem as far as safety is concerned. Something like love at the first sight. And first time when I saw the transparent lift on Facebook, even on social media, even on Twitter, I found this is the perfect match for my home and residence. As far as you can see the home interior is very sober and sophisticated, the courtesy to my wife, and so it matches with the home and interior. My experience with the visitors is something like, wow, this explains everything. It was nice. The experience was nice. Looks was very important, and by the looks only, I decided to go for the Nibav. In our hospital, we have many elevators there, but experience with this, particularly the transparency and soundless and smooth safety, these are the features which attracted to Nibav. It was something like love at first sight. When I very firstly, when I saw the Nibav lift, I was, all through I didn't see any alternatives also, because it was fixed. I want this, only this. Obviously, when there was no lift, we usually postponed going upstairs, and sometimes okay, it will be done tomorrow. But nowadays, I think 15 to 20 times we are going upstairs, in comparison to previous days when only once or twice we goes to first floor. And all are positive, and many of the friends and my relatives, they are very curious to know about this, and they used it, and they are deciding and most of the friends are deciding to get there. I should say the services, the understanding, the soft spoken of technical team, staff, officials, and they are very good. And as far as services concerned, it's very good. So I think I strongly recommend, with 5-star rating, I strongly recommend Nibav Lift.